Huge approach to the low, massive push. Huge approach to the low, massive push. Huge approach to the low. Now we're anticipating that massive push. I literally believe we're creating this candlestick right here. We're creating that wick for this bullish candlestick to have the move to the downside. After us having this very strong bearish move, we stopped for 1 week, very strong bearish move. We stopped for 1 week. Then the next week, we can anticipate a push. We can anticipate a push, anticipate a push, right? So all I'm doing is just looking at the market for it to repeat itself. Now, let's go to the 4 hour, which is where things are a little bit more clear and all these drawings aren't in the way. I'm going to move my risk to reward tool. Obviously, today's a bank holiday. That's why the markets have moved on the slower end of things. But this market, even though it looks literally identical to this entry right here, I won't be interested in taking it right now just because it's way too far from this area of interest. It's like in the middle right now. It's in the middle of the resistance, in the middle of the support. For me, this is something called no man's land where I am not interested in this market. I'm going to be waiting for a small break and retest of this area for the trade to be interested in buying. The next day, it would be pretty cool if we would just close as a bullish engulfing candlestick. And then the next day, so Wednesday, it has the retest, and then we have the push. Tuesday closes very bullish, Wednesday the retest, and then Thursday, Friday is just the continuation. That would be my perfect ideal situation. That's what I would want for this market in order for me to be interested in the trade. Now, is that a very high probability trade setup? If it happens, yes. If it comes down here once again, do I believe that it can have that whole massive move? I don't think so. I think it could probably stall for another week before actually having the push. I like the continuation trade here just because you're going to continue with the momentum of the market quick. But if the market makes it all the way down here, I would be a little bit more optimistic with my take profit and I would be setting it right at this area just because I don't believe that there will be enough time in the week to create the whole entire move that we are looking for if we make it down to this area here. If we break and retest above this area, then yes, I believe we can still continue heading to the upside. If not, it'll take a little bit longer for us to get to that point. But my bias